About the career research report that I assigned yesterday, I just wanted to go over with you really quickly the idea of putting images into your PowerPoint. This will make your PowerPoint that much more interesting. I want you to imagine if you go to a website, I'm sure you've done this before, when you go to a website and there are no images on that website and how boring that looks, and how different it is when you find a website that has some interesting images to look at, and how that adds to the information that you find there. So what I want you to do, I'll go over this really quick. You're going to go to a website, you're going to find an image. To copy that image, we're going to press and hold the function key, and then you're going to click the print screen key. So the function key, if you look in the lower left-hand corner of your keyboard, there's the control key in the corner, and then to the right of that is the function key. And then I want you to look at your numerical keyboard and find the number 8. Go up 2 spaces to 2 buttons, and that is the print screen key. A lot of times your print screen key shares with another key, and you'll see that the writing on this print screen key matches the writing on the function key, and so you know that you have to hold that function key in order to get to this print screen key. May be different on your keyboard. If it is, let me know and I'll help you with that. Moving on. We've found an image here on this web page. We're going to take a copy of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push down that function key and press the print screen key, and then I'm going to release both of them. And then I'm going to move back to my PowerPoint presentation. I want to find the page that I'm going to put this image on, and I'm going to right button click on my mouse, and I'm going to find the paste option. So let's go up here, and I'm going to right button click on my mouse. Here it gives you 2 paste options, and you can, if you hover over it, you don't have to pick it, just hover over it. You can see that both of them are identical. This doesn't really matter. It does not matter in this instance which one you choose. Just choose one of them. And then the final slide I want to show you here is how to crop this image. So we're going to make sure that that photo is selected. We're going to go up and find the Format tab. I'll show you where that is. We'll click it. We'll choose Crop. And then we're going to do a left button mouse click, and we'll hold it. And when we do the click, we're going to do it on the corner of the image to drag that corner to where we want it to be, and then release. And then we do that with all 4 corners, and then we're done. So let's get back up to our image. We'll make sure that this image is selected. And you can tell because these sort of white or light blue buttons right there. Now I'm gonna just move this up here so you can see. Now that I still have this selected, I want to click on the Format key, and then you're going to come over here and click Crop. And see how it changed the image? It's got these little corners, so I'm going to put this little corner here, and then I'm going to left button mouse click, and then I'm going to drag it to where I want it to be on the image. And then I need to do the same thing to the other side, although I'm having some trouble seeing the button. Sometimes it's way off to the side, and that makes it a little tricky. My image was quite large when I started. So as you can see, I'm just moving this in. I don't really want that thing in there, so I'm just going to take it out. Alright, now I can click anywhere. I can click anywhere that isn't on my selected image, and it'll take that, it'll deselect it. And then I'm going to move this over to where I want it in my PowerPoint and just see how it looks there. Okay, that looks perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. And now I can look and see my PowerPoint has an image in it. If I add a few more images, that'll make this very interesting to look at. And that's what I would like you to do. Thank you.